Hello, good morning. Welcome to Felicity Hotel. How may I help you today?
I want to book for a reservation. Do you have any vacancies?
Okay, just give me a moment. I'll check in our reservation system.
Okay, ma'am.
Before anything else, sir, I would like to ask you what date of your arrival?
That would be on March 7
March 7th.
to 10.
For how many nights, sir?
For 2 nights. Oh, no, 3.
Okay, sir. For how many people do I expect?
Huh?
For how many people do I expect, sir?
I'm just alone.
May I know what room type would you like, sir?
I want the standard one.
Okay, sir. Upon checking the reservation system, our room is available. May I know your full name, sir?
I am J.U.R. Meliano.
Can you please spell your first name for me, sir?
For J.U. it is a J.A.Y.N.U.
And do you have any middle initial?
Yes, that's R.
Your address, sir?
I am from Pasig, Cebu City.
Do you have, may I know your contact number, sir?
So my contact number is a 0123456789.
Do you have a company, sir?
No.
Okay. Contact person, sir?
Yes, I have. So his name is Melvin Palman.
Melvin. Do you know his contact number?
Yes, it is a 091234567889.
May I know your mode of payment, sir?
I will be paying cash.
Okay, sir. So for 3 days, sir, we have standard room rate is 3,500, and you're staying 3 nights, so it's 10,500, sir.
This is me. So I don't have enough money. So it is okay that I would be paying for just 1 night first.
Okay,
now.
sir, I will put this in my... Okay, sir, just give me a moment.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Here's your receipt.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Just give me a moment. I'll give you your change.
Okay. Just take your time.
Here's your receipt, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sir, is there anything that I can help you with?
On the day of my arrival, can I have a bottle of water?
Okay, sir. Sure. Okay, sir.